Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you a quick and easy way to make these lovely balloon columns, because I figured out some of you don't know how to make these, and it is really easy, and if you know it once and get the hang of it, it's a quick thing. So first, what you're gonna need is some string, or you can also use these long modeling balloons, and some scissors and balloons, of course, uninflated before you use them. As you see, for my column here, I was using about 36 balloons each, so that's 9 rows of 4 balloons. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is have 2 balloons and inflate them, what I'm gonna do quickly. So then after you inflated your balloons, what you're gonna do is tie them into clusters of 2. You're going to do that with all the balloons that you want to put into a column, and just leave them like that. When you're done with that, you get yourself your pairs of balloons. Now I need to find where my last one was. So you're going to make clusters of 4 after that. You're just going to tie them together like this. You can do it with one hand or 2. 2 is going to be easier, of course. So you're going to do that with all of the balloons that you have left, so that you have like a ton of these clusters. So what you're going to do after that is take these clusters and stack them on top of each other. So when you do that with about 9 of these clusters, you're going to have one of these big columns here. It is going to look about like that. And then, yeah, you're basically done. What you can do with these columns is put them on top of each other and make a balloon wall out of it. I'm going to show it to you when I'm done with the last column that I have. But yeah, that's basically it. You're just going to stick them after that, like that. Take the string or the modeling balloon and just twist it around the clusters of 4. Yeah, make sure to pull them in tight so the balloons aren't wobbly and the column stays in shape when you leave it. So that's going to be easier when you're using modeling balloons instead of the rope thing. But you can also just use normal string. I use like cotton string that I bought online, and yeah, it's cheap, so I use that mostly for my columns. Also, you can use that string to attach the columns on top of each other. So as you see, this is a lovely, quick and easy way to make these balloon columns. You can make them as long or as little as you want. You can also put them on top of each other, as I said already. And yeah, I hope this helped you out and that you will make a lot of lovely balloon decoration in the future. I would love to see your results, and see you next time.